First of all, I would like to thank our program organizers, Sir Binong Teron, and also to the judges and teachers from different schools, and to all my dear friends. Today I'm going to speak about if I were the CEM of Karbi Anglong for one day. If I were the CEM of Borjan for one day, first, I will fulfill the dream of Borjan. Anyone knows what is the dream of Borjan? A separate statehood. I hope everyone knows that. First, I will give them a separate statehood, because it is the dreams of all the Karbi Anglong and the Karbi peoples. Secondly, I will open a school for a village where it is undeveloped. Because education is the most powerful weapon which we can use it to change the world. And also, education brings confidence, confidence brings hope, and hope brings peace. So, education is my first attempt. In every village, there should be a school for students. And secondly, I will go to the hospitals in every village and check either the facilities is good or not. Because of the facilities is not good. Because of the facilities is not good in the hospital. Some of them have to go away from their parents, or some of the parents have to go away from the children. So, my third attempt is that. And we know, all the Karbi Anglong, we all know, and all the whole world we know. During winter, we are struggling for water. Everyone knows that. And also, without water, we cannot live in this earth. Because water we have to drink. Without food we can live, but without water we cannot. And I will give every home, each village, every village, a ring well. Because till today, some of our parents, we see them going and fetching water a miles from our home. When I see that, it breaks my heart. Because why our parents should struggle? We should help our parents instead of we should let them stay at home because they are looking after us. So I will provide. And then every village, we know that during rainy season, the road is not good. It's muddy. And also it's also very problem to the students. Because when it gets wet, the road is very muddy and sticky. So it is a big problem for the students and also for the villagers to walk by. So I will provide a good road for them, because road is also very necessary for our daily life. Because if anyone is sick, I hope everyone is aware that because of the road conditions, some pass away or some have gone to the place where there is no more life. So I will provide a road with a good condition. And also, I will give a midday lunch for all the students of the school, because some of the parents, they cannot provide food because their conditions are not good, and also they are from very far. They might not have breakfast and come to school. So I'll provide a midday lunch for them. So I end my speech here. So thank you all.
Thank you so much. I'm putting two from Borjan Residential School. Next we have